What's up, bro? How are you? Worked last night?
Yeah.
You got the sensors? I was waiting for your text. So this is it, huh? Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I think this is on the right side.
Yeah, I was driving down, right? And he just died out on me. Holy shit.
How many times already happened?
Twice. Like I was right there in the stoplight. I just pulled to the left, try to start it again.
Yeah. Because, you know. Let's go see where it is.
Yeah, get rid of this.
Alright, let me see. Okay, I see it.
Is it a green one?
Yeah, it looks green. Got some gunk on it. Yep, pull this up.
Maybe for your car.
Oh, no.
I know you're talking about this.
Yeah.
You got a brother, but this guy, he used to live at
More. Oh, okay.
Mom too. He works.
Where's your
Yeah, he went to the magic shop and he bought himself a fire wallet, paper. Somebody, bro.
You know, shit. What is it? Use butane?
No, every time he loads it, it's gone because it evaporates.
Yeah.
Fire wallet. It doesn't work. Get it out?
Yeah, this
Hell
stuff.
yeah.
So if you get the straight one, fan, not the angled. Oh, okay, I get it. You don't push it down, you push it up. Like that.
It's supposed to be wet.
Push up. That should release. There we go. You got that napkin?
It's perfect.
Looks the same. Look at that. Get some oil from this.
This guy's really funny, bro. It takes him an hour and a half to cook the tables.
Oh shit.
Money.
Money. There
You
you
guys
go.
like style, you know, like started at Express.
Espresso.
What the fuck? So call me Magic J.
You know someone from Guam?
Yeah, I'm from the islands, bro.
Yeah. You know.
Spin it around.
Oh shoot.
It doesn't
Yeah.
anyway when the manager's not around. That guy's girlfriend.
This one.
You must have a tons of footage, huh?
Yeah. Hours.
Yeah, I'm thinking of getting the Honda Civic SI.
Yeah, that's a good car, bro. Of course.
How much?
It's at 25,000. Close to that 12,000. Take this one out because it's right over here. Let me see, fan. Because yeah, I think you can. Huh. think I could reach it over here, bro. Where is it? Oh yeah, dude, I see it. It's right there. She got a boot job. Oh yeah, I think I could reach it over here.
Can you reach it?
Yeah, I could reach it. I think I can see it. It's good I have this camera so I can see where it is. Because I have to feel for it too, man.
What?
Yeah. Here, I cannot see direct. So if I have this camera, that's the advantage of having the camera too, bro. Really.
Hell yeah.
Just have to feel for it. Oh yeah, but sometimes the ratchet won't fit, the cordless ratchet, they don't fit. So I just have to do it slowly because I don't want it to drop, bro. I know, man. Scary. You can see the mass airflow from there. Look at it. Yeah.
Oh hell yeah. I should still be good. Yeah, I thought that one and this one were the same, bro.
Not different. It's on the back.
Some dude told me to spray that, dude, like, clear it out.
We could look at it. What does it have? Torx? No. Okay, almost out. Alright, got it.
Hell yeah. You the man, ain't
Gotta be patient, man.
you the man, bro. Everybody trusts you, man. You man.
I understand that.
Anything you say they trust you, family, you know.
They keep on doing that.
I'm gonna change it for you. You just buy me a case of
There we
Corona.
go. There you go, brother.
Hell yeah.
Oh, brother. Look at that. Get some oil from this. You could slide in.
They probably replaced both of them.
So my own, I have to replace the exhaust manifold.
Holy shit, bro. That's crazy.
Isn't that crazy?
That's a lot of work.
Yeah, it is a lot of work. It's no joke, bro. Like, man. All this stuff I do is all planned. And they understand too. They're like, okay, at least you got back to me. I'm like, yeah, I get back to you, but dude, doing this one hand, bro.
Yeah, like something that you fix one thing and then another thing breaks down.
Yeah, because it's, the cars, wear and tear. It's actually wear and tear.
Some people don't understand that.
Yeah, they don't understand it.
And they blame you for it.
Yeah, and I don't like that, man. I don't like it when it's gonna fix it. Apaches, I think. Alright, that's good. Let me see. Alright, doggy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, I'm So this resets it already.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I'll put this back.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Nice. It's professional, bro.
Alright, looks good. Please start. Jesus Christ. Yeah. 11, 12. Hi, Rob. You're doing good.
Thank you, Dad.
Welcome. Where's Ben?
He's in the middle of my food.
Here, buddy.
Thank you.